Hey, it's Shirell, your health mentor, and if this is you, you have a job, you have a part-time or full-time job, no insurance, no dental insurance, definitely simply sign up for a dental plan. I'm going to discuss dental plans, how to simply get a quote, and help you understand those percentages, the deductible really quick, right? Definitely stay tuned so that you can have a better understanding. I'm just going to go over the basics. Alright, so with Delta Dental, you simply go to deltadental.com and you click here, find your Delta Dental. So I'm going to click here and it's going, I receive dental insurance through my employer. No, we are actually purchasing dental insurance on our own. So we want to set up our insurance, first get our quote. You choose the state, I'm going to choose Virginia. Click go. And it's going to send you to the screen here where you can get your quote and get that started. You simply put in your zip code, date of birth, and you have to choose your coverage date. It's going to always start the next month so that it can start fresh. So this simply here include primary policyholder in this quote. This is simply saying, do you want insurance just for yourself and or a spouse or children? You'll press yes, and then if you want to include your spouse and children, you'll click on these. And if it's just you want to get insurance for your wife or your children or child, but for now in this scenario, we just get insurance for ourselves, just one individual. Click on get my quotes, and it's going to take you to their plan. Some of the plans and the prices, well, mainly the prices vary for each state, of course, right? Their plans are pretty good. I'm going to go over this enhanced plan, and you can just apply the same understanding and concept to the others. And for now, we're just getting our quote. If you are interested in getting the insurance, you just press enroll. Please me. Office visit copayment. This is self-explanatory. There's no payment. The plan dollar maximum per person per year is $1,000. So that means they're gonna pay up to $1,000 for any treatment that you need. However, once we click on here, you're gonna see the percentage that you will have to pay, and they just pay the other percentage, the rest of that, percentage, and they're gonna deduct it from this $1,000. If you used to get the premium plan, you have $2,000. So based on how much work you may need done in your mouth, the higher this plan dollar maximum that they give you, the better. But if you just it's something simple going on in your mouth, maybe you just need some fillings, you won't need that much help towards paying it. I feel like this is better than nothing, right? So going on to the deductible, there's a $50 deductible. However, if you need an exam, x-rays, and a regular cleaning, you do not have to pay a $50 deductible for that. Because a lot of people may get confused. I'm like, hold on, why do I have to pay, a deductible when I'm getting a cleaning? Now, let me show you. If your teeth, your x-rays look like this, you're most likely just getting a regular cleaning. Definitely regular cleaning here. No deductible. There's no disease going on. However, if this is going on, there's tartar and the bone has been, eaten away from the germs that develop in our mouth. This can happen. That's why it's so important to take care on your own, at home, cleaning in between your teeth. There's so many tools available. Because once this germs harden on our teeth, they call it tartar. And no matter how much you floss, brush, scrub your teeth, you definitely don't want to do that. It's not going to come off. You got to get this cleaned off by a dental hygienist. And at this point, we got to take some action. So it's a little bit more involved. So you're going to have to pay the deductible. So diagnostic means exam and x-rays, just pictures of your teeth. No deductible will be paid. Annual contract required, yes, you need this plan for the 12-month period, waiting periods that will apply. Once we click on details, that will show us what that will apply for. So go to view more details. And this here is just simply what we just saw on the other screen. Now here, PPO, I definitely always recommend a PPO because with a PPO, you can choose your own dentist, but you will greatly benefit if you choose a dentist in network. Choose a dentist that has a contract with Delta Dental because they set the prices. That way the dentist is not, the dentist isn't allowed to change the prices. You know, it's a set price. If filling costs $100, your fillings will always cost $100. If it's like a one surface filling, if it's a two surface filling, meaning it's on two surfaces of the same tooth, that price will be maybe $150. That's a set price, right? Those are just examples. So PPOs are better in my opinion and from my experience. You can do your own research. All right, so this is where I want to take you to. Summary of benefits. You pay the below percentages. So these percentages that you see is what you pay. So for cleaning, you pay nothing. That also means since it's a cleaning, you do not pay the deductible because once again, if you're getting a regular cleaning, your x-rays like this, you will not pay a deductible. All right. Same thing for exams. That's diagnosing. They're just letting you know what's going on. X-rays, no percentage here. And topical fluoride treatments and fillers, they're mainly for insurance usually cover or help out when it's for children and there's always an age limit. Sometimes it's age limit. This may differ for other insurances. So I'm just going to skip over that for now, but I really want to help you understand when you have to pay the deductible, right? Okay, so for a filling, you're going to have to pay a deductible because this is a restorative treatment. This means treatment is going to be done to your teeth, and so you pay 50%. So let's say the filling is $100. What's 50% of 100? $50, right? So since this is not a diagnostic or preventive treatment or service, you're gonna have to pay the $50. So go ahead and add $50 to that. So this is what you would pay. This is what we would pay out of pocket. Now they would pay the other half of the 50, and that 50 will be deducted from your $1,000. This is your benefit that they give you, and every time they have to pay the rest of the percentage, they deduct it from here. So you want to keep track of how much you have left. So let's say we have to get another filling. Now mind you, we already paid the $50 deductible, right, for one filling. Let's say we got that filling done in May. In April, we schedule an appointment to get another filling. So we would not have to pay the deductible again because once that deductible has been paid and is still within 12-month periods, we're good. But once the next year come around and they have to get this filling done, you have to get this crown done, you will have to pay $50 for that every new year. Okay, so I hope you understand that. So what's up with these waiting periods? Okay, so for a crown, the percentages that we're seeing here is what we pay. You pay the below percentages. So we pay 50% and they're gonna pay the other half. Unfortunately, only if we've had our insurance for 12 months and we actually paid. So that's the only thing that I personally wish was not the case, because it's like, okay, I need a crown. I don't want my tooth to get infected. If you need a crown, that means you have a large hole in your tooth to the point where a filling is not going to fix that. So let's say our crown is $300 and it's been 12 months. So now we can get our crown, and half of that is $150. So we pay $150 and they pay the other half because it's 50%. Right? So where is that $150 that the other half that they're gonna pay coming from? Once again, our maximum benefit. All right. And let's say we already had a filling done, right, in that same year. we paid our $50 deductible, we will not have to pay $50 again for this crown. So we're just paying $150 and they pay their half. In the case where we already paid a deductible for that year. I hope you understand that. And they kept this pretty simple, you know, everything is, all the percentages are pretty much the same. Now if you're looking to get braces, if you're, you know, hoping that insurance will help you pay for you to get braces, orthodontics is what that's called. It's orthodontic treatment. Unfortunately, there's no coverage. This is not even part of, you know, the plan. It's not a benefit there. So you will have to pay out of pocket. So find a plan that, you know, works for you, that fits your budget. So take care.